Hello, my name is Jeff. Welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com to view our current inventory. This is a 2010 BMW X3 3.0. The color is titanium silver metallic with black interior. This is a sport package. Gives you more aggressive body styling. Front and rear end are changed. The side rocker covers are different. Different wheels. Also has sport seats and sport steering wheel. The seats are power. The driver's side has 3-position memory. And the right side is power, and they are both heated. This has rain sensing wipers, automatic climate control, stability control, really nice wood grain. Also has the power panoramic roof with a power shade. Here's how the shade works. Just one touch. And naturally the roof opens. So look at the back seat. The leather's in fantastic condition. Really nice styling. The rear seats will fold down. This has the partition. Also has WeatherTech custom mats. There's a look underneath. There's the battery and the tools. Look at the passenger side. A lot of these X3s have the vinyl interior. This is leather and they are sports seats. So a big difference. The 2010 has larger side mirrors. We installed brand new tires, all season tires. They have no miles on them. Virtually flawless body and interior. Really outstanding. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this X3.